In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute or unmute yourself on Discord. Muting yourself is one of the simplest and most useful things you can do on Discord, especially when you want to block out background noise or step away for a moment without leaving a call. I'll show you two easy ways to do it. First, by clicking the microphone icon, and second, by setting up a quick keyboard shortcut so you can toggle mute without hunting for buttons. Start by looking at the bottom left of the Discord window. You'll see your profile area, and right beside it is a small microphone icon. This is your mute toggle. A single click on that microphone instantly mutes your mic. Click it again to unmute. That's it. When you're muted, Discord shows a little slash through the mic icon and often highlights it to make the status clear. Other people in your voice channel won't hear you while muted, but you'll stay in the call and can still listen. It's a fast, reliable way to manage your audio with one click. If you ever notice a second icon that looks like headphones, that's the Deafen Control, which mutes both your microphone and your incoming audio. Today we're focusing on the microphone icon only, so stick with that if you just want to silence your mic and keep listening. Now, if you prefer a hands-on shortcut, you can set a hotkey so you can toggle mute with your keyboard. Look again to the bottom left and click the small gear icon to open your settings. In the Settings menu, find and select keybinds. Once you're there, click Add a keybind. You'll see a field to choose an action. Open that list and select Toggle Mute. Then click the Record Keybind button and press the key or key combination you want to use. For example, you might choose something like Alt plus M or Ctrl plus Shift plus M. Discord registers it right away and ties that keybind to toggling your microphone. Pick something that's easy to reach, but not a key combo you tend to press by accident, especially if you're gaming or typing quickly. After your keybind is recorded, you can close settings. From now on, pressing that shortcut will instantly mute or unmute you, and you'll see the microphone icon update at the bottom left as confirmation. And there you go. You can mute or unmute with a simple click on the microphone icon, or set a convenient keybind through the gear icon, keybinds, add a keybind, and toggle mute. That's all.